Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Prometheus metrics from an EV charging station, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of authentication in collecting Prometheus metrics from EV charging stations. Start with identifying the type of authentication method required by your charging station. Common authentication methods include Basic Auth, OAuth 2.0, and client certificates. Check the documentation provided by your EV charging station manufacturer to determine the supported authentication. Next, install Prometheus on your server if it is not already set up. Ensure that your Prometheus version is compatible with the authentication method you intend to use. For Basic Auth, create a credentials file containing the username and password needed for authentication. Format the file in plain text, with the username and password separated by a colon, like this, username and password. Then, configure the Prometheus scraping job to include the authentication details. In the Prometheus configuration file, add the basic_auth field under the target job section. Specify the username and password_file fields in the job configuration. For OAuth 2.0, you'll typically need to register your application with the provider. Obtain the client ID and client secret needed for the OAuth setup. Use the authentication flow appropriate for your use case, such as the authorization code or client credentials flow. Once you have the access token, configure Prometheus to include the token in the scrape request headers. For client certificates, ensure you have the required certificate files issued by a trusted certificate authority. Configure the TLS_config field in your Prometheus configurations with the paths to your certificate file. In the Prometheus configuration file, add the scraping job, specifying the scheme as HTTPS. Ensure to set the proper TLS_config entries that specify the cert file, key file, and CA_file. After completing the configuration, save the Prometheus configuration file. Run Prometheus to check if it successfully scrapes metrics from the charging station. Use the Prometheus web interface to verify you are receiving the expected metrics. If any issues arise, consult the logs for any authentication errors or connectivity problems. Once resolved, you will have successfully authenticated Prometheus metrics from your EV charging station. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.